Hi guys, it's Mathematics with Miss T.
So another word for indirect proportion is inverse proportion. So if you hear inverse, it's the same as indirect. Now, how do we know that something is inverse or indirectly proportionate to something else? Okay. When we're dealing with indirect proportion, as one side goes up, the other side goes down. Or, as one side goes down, the other side goes up. Let's look at an example here. It says 4 men can build a house in 27 weeks. How many weeks would it take 6 men to build the same house? Now, something for us to think about. Here, we have 4 men working. And it took them 27 weeks to complete the house. Now, if we had 6 men working, will it take a longer time or a shorter period of time to finish this house? I would think it would take a shorter period because there's more men working, so it will be finished in less time, right? Now, like any other ratio, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to label our problem. So we have men, and we have weeks. Now, it says 4 men will take 27 weeks. How many weeks will 6 men take? So we need to put 6 men somewhere. So where would we put 6 men? Would we put it under the weeks or would we put it under men? That's right. We're going to put it under men. And we need to be very careful about this because if we put it under weeks, our answer will not be correct. Alright? So we do not know how many weeks that will be. So we're going to call it Y for now. Okay? And when we're doing direct proportion, we cross multiply. But this is not direct proportion. So we're going to multiply straight across. Alright? So we're going to say 4 times 27, and we're going to divide by the one that does not have a partner. And that will be 6 in this case, right? So let's see what it is. 27 times 4. 4 times 7 would be 28. 4 times 2 would be 8 and 2, 10. So that would be 108 divided by 6. So let's divide that by 6. 6 can go into 1? No, it cannot, right? But it can go into 10. It goes into 10 one time with 4 remainder. So 6 into 48 will go 8 times. So now, Y is equal to 18 weeks. Now let's go back and see if our answer falls under the indirect ratio rule, right? It says when one side goes up, the other should go down. Alright? So we started with 4 men and we went up to 6 men. See? And then we started with 27 weeks and we went down to 18 weeks. So was this an indirect or inverse? Yes, it was.
Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe down below. That way you will not miss another video. See you in the next video.